Stay strong and mobile. Safe workouts for seniors. Growing older doesn't mean slowing down. In just a few minutes a day, you can boost your strength, improve mobility, and feel more energized. Ready to stay active and independent? Let's dive into simple, safe workouts designed just for you. Start with seated chair stretches, perfect for warming up. Then, try a few standing balance exercises like toe raises, holding onto the chair for support. These moves can help prevent falls and improve your posture. Small steps lead to big gains. Light resistance exercises, like lifting small weights or water bottles, are great for strengthening your arms and shoulders. Simple leg lifts or side steps can keep your legs strong and steady. Work at your own pace and feel the difference. Finish with calming stretches to ease tight muscles and improve range of motion. Stretching helps you move more freely and reduces stiffness. Deep breaths as you stretch can also relax your mind and body, leaving you refreshed. Feeling inspired? Start small. 5 minutes today makes a difference. Share this video with friends and family to motivate each other. Remember, your health is your greatest strength. Tune in, move with us, and take control of your well-being today.